My name is Raj Modi. I'm MP for Uhlelo South constituency, and I'm a Deputy Minister of Industry and Commerce. I do this once a medical camp now and again. Whenever I get opportunity, we join hand with Lions Club or Rotary Club, and we do it together. And just to get our people benefits. So like today they're giving out reading glasses. The reading glasses today it's costing about 3,000 bond in optician shop in town. So here we're giving completely free. They do the eye check, and after checking of the eyes, then whatever the reading glasses they require, they give according to their after the result of their eye check. So which is very good because the whole process can cost about $5,000 if somebody wants to go to the doctor, get the eye checks done, and then they get the whatever the number they require for the glasses and all that, and then go and buy the glasses. The process can cost almost $5,000 to the person. So here we are doing it free of charge. It's 100% free.
Maybe have your contact.
Yeah, my contact is